556, let's get into it. Okay, in Fiopunk, within this callback function on top of a callback function, here's the original function, here's the callback, and then we're 2 callbacks deep. We are now going to take the bits of the PNG file and we're going to decode it into a proprietary buffer. Then we're going to decompress it into an RGBA8 array, which is the native format of OpenGL and WebGL bitmaps. And this is still kind of a wrapper, so we need to extract it here to get this array buffer, wrap it in a uint8 array, then we can work with it. So our pixel array right here, actually this is our pixel array, this is the number of bytes in the pixel array, and this is the width and height in pixels of the pixel array. We're going to check our work because I'm a hack. I just copied this from like some documentation. So we're going to check our work, make sure that the bitmap has valid dimensions, and also make sure that the dimensions in pixels match the dimensions in bytes. So we're going to calculate the dimensions in bytes here, and then cross-check this check value against the bit value right here that we got from the byte length here. Okay, so now if the image is exactly 512 by 512, we're going to have to do the classic loading, and if the image is 896 by 896, it's our new file format. Otherwise, we should probably resize the image and load it into the game. This function right here is 1 callback deep, and we forgot something. For this callback right here, for this onload callback to be called, we have to, well, make the file reader read the file handle, because if we're not telling it to read, this callback will never get called. Now, if we have an error when we're trying to read, we're going to yell at the user and then log the original error message that was given back to us by JavaScript. Okay, down here is what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist here on the Ninja Coder channel. You're on the advanced playlist on Kanji Coder. If you just want technical demos, you can go here on Weeb Coder. Source code is here, and you can email me here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman Metroidvania game that uses proximity mines with directional blasts rather than fuse bombs that Bomberman uses, which means you can walk straight past a mine. It will not kill you. It'll just light up the timer. Once the timer expires, it explodes and it chain reacts with the vertical, horizontal, and 4-way blast. There's also an instant kill mine that will blow up exactly when you touch it because the timer is set to 0 on that specific proximity mine. So like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder.